Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator. I want to show you a border design I call Seedlings. It's a breath of fresh air. Let's play with leaves. We're going to come down to the base and make our first leaf. When we get to kind of the cleft, we're going to put an echoed leaf inside and one on the other side. And then we're going to head to make our outside leaf and back down. Next one, base, leaf, echo leaf, echo, outside, back to the base. Next one. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted. And thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS long arm machines, contact your local dealer or visit your local APQS store or head over to apqs.com for more information.